Hello, this is Instructor Vocoder with a quick video overview of how to do the audio discussion board this week. To get started, please watch the poverty simulation video that includes the instructions as well as the questions to be answered in the discussion. When you're ready to make your post, enter the discussion and start a new thread. When you start a new thread, you want to choose this little icon here that says Insert Stuff. You want to scroll down to Insert Kaltura, and you have some choices when you enter here at this point. You're going to click the plus sign to create an express capture. So when you get to this point, you can either create a video of yourself here by clicking the record button and recording your voice, or if you click on settings up here, you can turn off your camera. That would make a recording audio only. You get a countdown, and then this will be my sample recording that I am making in Kaltura. As soon as I'm done and I've answered all the questions, you go ahead and tap the video again on the time, and you can watch the playback here. When you're done and satisfied with your video, you can hit Use This. It's going to complete it, and then you hit Save and Embed, and it will go directly into your post on the discussion board. So you're going to hit, it's got a little machine that shows it's working, and then you hit Insert, and it'll automatically show up here on your discussion board. You'd finish out your writing and then hit Post. Please let me know if you have any questions at all, as I'm here to help you.